Before using Relieve, remove the plastic guard covering the balloon. Place a protective cover over the deflated balloon before each use. Unroll the cover until it passes the raised mark on the handle. Once the cover is in place, gently insert the balloon into the vagina. To inflate the balloon, squeeze the bulb at the top of the device. Holding the handle will ensure the device stays in place while inflating. Inflate as much as necessary until you feel the vagina is occupied by the balloon. Use the handle to gently move the balloon into a position that facilitates a bowel movement. Deflate the balloon by pressing down on the air release button on the back of the device. Once fully deflated, remove the device from the vagina. Remove and discard the protective cover. After cleaning, place the plastic guard over the balloon and store the device for the next use.